Hi, my name is Angelica Ramundo. As you requested, buong kini para lang sa imo. Just in case na nasad ka, play mo lang yung nakanta ko sa imo. I love you so much. Advance happy birthday. And I hope you like it. Okay, this is it. And here is it. This is the number one radio station here in Sorsogon. This is WLHFM. The Wave. Joke lang. This is for you. Advance happy birthday again. Love you. Mwah. I don't wanna lose you. I don't wanna use you just to have somebody on my side. And I don't wanna hate you. I don't wanna take you. I don't wanna be the one to cry. And I don't really matter to anyone anymore. That fool I use in my place, I kept seeing you through that door. There's a danger in loving somebody too much, and it's sad when you know it's your heart you can trust. There's a reason why people do stay where they are. Baby, sometimes love just ain't enough. Now I could never change you. I don't wanna blame you. Baby, you don't have to take the fall. 'Cause I may have hurt you, but I did not deserve you. Baby, I just wanna have it all and make a sound like thunder. It makes me feel like the rain. Like a fool who would never see the truth. I kept thinking something's gonna change. There's a danger in loving somebody too much, and it's sad when you know it's your heart you can't trust. There's a reason why people stay where they are. Baby, sometimes love just ain't enough. And there's no way home when it's late at night and you're all alone. There are things that you wanted to say. Do you feel me beside in your bed? There beside you where I used to lay. Hello, I love you. I miss you so much. Advance happy birthday, Mwah, 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 Is there a danger in loving somebody too much? Yeah, and it's sad when you know it's your heart you can't touch.